Today we shall see to whom education is meant for and who are not meant for education. Those who are earnest, those who are ready to work hard, those who are in the spirit of helping their family, their community, their society, their country. Education comes to them naturally. Those who are selfish, those who are full of greed, those who are not ready to toil, those who are not hardworking in nature, those who are not ready to do something for humanity, education will not come to them, knowledge will not come to them. They can go to very good schools, they can join very good institutes, colleges. But one thing is sure, if they do not have a spirit of harmony, if they do not care for society, if they are not ready to share their joys, their riches, their achievements with others, education and knowledge is not for them. Those who are lazy, those who are lethargic, those who are sloth, knowledge and education they should forget. Either leave your laziness or leave your knowledge. Choice is yours because life is yours. In most of the cases, great minds never lived for their own family, for own self. They always strived for better things for everyone. That is why we remember them. There is no caste, creed, nation barrier. They are available for everyone. Their approach is universal in nature. They are bleeding for their fellow men. They are ready to do anything for others. If we have that spirit, then only we can think of gaining some knowledge, gaining some insight, having your own light rather than following others, going for motivations from so-called motivational speakers. Be your own light. Try your best and you will find education is game changer for everyone. You can be born in a poor family, but when you will die, not in terms of money, not in terms of prizes and awards, but in terms of well-wishing by those who care for you and you care for them. You will live in their hearts. You will live in their minds. You will live in their spirits. And your knowledge, your education can make not only a change in yourself, but that can make change in your fellow beings, change in your community, change in your society, and this change is for better. This change is for well-being. This change is for peace and harmony. And this change is for betterment of this world where we find cutthroat competition, where we find people trying only to come up to the top without caring for others. If we have the spirit for helping others, we can very easily say, the world is yours, whole world belongs to you. And if you care for yourself, you will see that there is no one to recognize you, there is no one to weep for you. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless us all.